Hey guys, Derek here with MRCOOL. I'd like to show you guys our new compact refrigeration unit. Come on in, let's take a closer look. So the first thing I want to tell you guys about is the 0 to 50 degree Fahrenheit versatility, right? We're currently at 18 degrees Fahrenheit set point and we're at 18.2. I'm gonna drop this thing down to 15. Let's say we need to get there very quickly. I will set it right in forced cooling mode. As you've seen, it popped up. As soon as we reach that 18 degree Fahrenheit, you will see that it go back into standard cooling mode. Second great feature, installation simplicity. 4 to 6 hours, we could actually remove a previous unit, install our unit. So if you're only installing for the first time on a brand new box, even quicker. Another great capability from the Wi-Fi, you can actually access this on your mobile device. You can have as many users as you would like. Well, let's take a look inside and fill the code in there. How about that? All right, as you can see, it's fairly cool in here. These are some towels we put in a few moments ago. They're already stiff. Okay, so from here, you actually can take these 4 screws out, pull this down and do your cool cleaning, your annual cool cleaning. We'll step back outside, it's a little loud in here. All right, so now that we went over how to do the cool cleaning from the interior, let's talk about the cool cleaning from the exterior. So you've got some screws here. You would pop this off. This will give you complete service access on the backside, right? If you had sensors, any kind of failures of that nature, compressor, anything you need to look at, plus just your annual cleaning, you're gonna have access to this backside from there. We're gonna take a quick look at the solar capabilities of this unit. It's very simple, right? It's already color coded. You'll take your color coded wires, plug them in. You guys have an optional accessory box, a PV box you can purchase, mount right beside the unit. It would require about 4 solar panels, 4 foot by 3 foot high. During the summer capabilities, bright sun all day, you could actually function this unit fully off of solar power only. Any other time, it's actually supplemental between grid and solar capabilities. Guys, appreciate you so much joining with us. Hope to see you soon. We're gonna have these units out to market in Q2 between April and June.